Mr. Pentastar here again. I'm gonna put the car back to stock, baby. Sick of it. Gotta get ready for tomorrow. Dropping this car off tonight with a good diagnosed, but in the meantime, let's put it back to stock. Look, Diablosport DCX tuner. Let's get you plugged in, baby. Alright, gotta let this upload. It'll take some time. This whole process is gonna take like 45 minutes, I think, so don't mind my pajama pants. I was trying to take a nap, but I decided not to, so gotta get cozy, you know what I mean? Alright, home screen. So what we are going to do, put the car back to stock. We're gonna hit tune vehicle. Yes, we agree with the terms and conditions, blah blah blah. Right here it says restore vehicle, so this is what we're gonna do. Gotta put the ignition to on. Bring it back to stock. No ECU found. Check ignition key. That's a first. Alright, let's try that again. That was just a weird prompt. I've never seen that before. There we go. Restore original backup to vehicle and release vehicle license. I sure will. Now this process is going to take a while. Stage 1, let it handle business. I'm going to come back, see how it's doing. Still downloading. More prompts on the screen. Of course, you don't listen to what it says. Just let it flash, go through its cycling. 1%, little by little, 2%. One thing I do love about the 2011s to 2014 Chargers is that you don't have to unlock the PCM. You just plug up the tuner, put the program on there, good to go. None of that shenanigans of swapping out PCMs and mailing stuff to HP tuners or Diablosport or whoever you use. So while we waiting, so there's the windshield wipers. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it, watch. Look, let's get stuck, goes back to the bottom. Yeah, once you turn it once, it's supposed to swipe all the way once, all the way back down. It's not supposed to stop in the middle. But anyway, I put it back down, and then when you start driving, it slowly just creeps up like doot, 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 like that. Alrighty, looks like stage 1 is just about done. Now I gotta turn off the ignition. Now I'll hit the check mark. Let it cycle through, 10 more seconds. Turn the ignition back on. All right, hit the check mark. Couple more seconds. Now it has to do the original backup. Write that up. Cycle time. Man, that's a nice shift knob. I like it. Turn it back on. Oh, oil change due. I knew it. Let's see. Yep, 104, 155. Look at that, 104, 496. Yep, I'm past due. Now I gotta turn this off. Check mark. Now I gotta turn it back on. Hit the check mark. No, I already saw that. Alrighty, it says original backup has been successfully restored. It is now safe to unplug and intune your vehicle and start the engine. Woohoo! Now that's how you put your car back to stock. So, getting ready to take this to the mechanic tonight. So, we'll see some results tomorrow. Then I can make wifey happy. Then I could go back and try to trade this car in. But Mr. Pinistar is out. Let me know if you got any questions. Peace.